Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vendor payment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vendor payment. You can find it under Vendor Demand Payment. Here is the payment page used to manage the payment orders associated with the bank. The payment can be created in two ways. The first one is to create it through this new entry button, and the second way is to create it by the vendor bill page. Here on the vendor bill page, you can either run auto payment or make a payment here, and then the payment will be created on this page. Let's manually create a vendor payment here using a new entry. First, you have to select the vendor account, and then the associated fields will show up here. The second step is to select a payment method. You have to select the bank you would like to use to make this payment and the amount. After that, a vendor payment will be created. The initial status of a vendor payment is under draft. You can only edit this payment under the draft status. In this status, you can submit it for approval. An email will be sent to the accounting team so they can approve or reject this payment. The status will change to Submit for Approval. Then the accounting team can approve or reject this payment. If it is rejected, you can edit this payment and go back to the draft status. If it is approved, the status will change, and you can post this payment. After it is posted, the status will change to unapplied. You can apply the payment here. On this page, you can choose which bill you would like to apply this payment to. If there is still some remaining balance after applying the payment, the status will be partially applied. If the payment is fully paid, the status will be fully applied. So that will be all for how to create a vendor payment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorial videos.